Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are taking a deep dive into Instagram analytics, which can be gotten from your Instagram insights. So if you are a business owner or a content creator who, one, doesn't even know what Instagram insights are, hello, who are you? Or two, you know what Instagram insights are, but you've always struggled with interpreting these things, then you do want to keep on watching, because in this video we are going in depth into post insights and page insights and how you can use this to measure your efforts on Instagram. Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Uchechi and I'm a content creator and digital marketing consultant. On this channel, I teach business owners and content creators how best to use Instagram for their businesses, and also enjoy sharing content creation tips. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. You would enjoy it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, in last week's video where I talked about the benefits of switching from a personal profile to a business or a creator profile, I mentioned that one of the benefits was access to Instagram insights. So this video is going to tackle Instagram insights, and I have broken this video down into two parts. One is the post insights, which you can see under every post on your Instagram page, while the second is page insights, which shows you data for your entire page. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I have broken it down, and so today's video is on post insights, while next week's video is on page insights. Okay, now some weeks ago I was taking a stroll on the streets of Instagram, and I saw a post from a shoe vendor that I follow on Instagram, and she was complaining about engagement on her posts, on her page rather, and in the comment section I tried to give some clarification, but I saw that my comment was becoming an essay and I decided to do this video, not just because my comment was becoming an essay, but because I saw that other business owners were struggling. So because she had put up that post, other business owners were also complaining in the comment section and said they didn't understand Instagram algorithm. And when I went in to talk about posting times, checking your insights and stuff, it sounded like, what is this girl saying? So I have done this video so I can help other business owners and content creators who are struggling with understanding things on Instagram. Now, before I start, I do want to state that before you can access Instagram insights, you need to have a business or a creator account. If you do not know what those are, they are, so on Instagram you basically have three accounts, or three types of accounts: a personal account, a business profile, or a creator profile or account. For the personal one, which is what you would typically start with, you do not have any access to insights. It's just post and go. You see your likes and your comments and your views, and really that's it. You don't have any access to any data on anything that you do on Instagram. However, if you are a business owner, you do want to make sure your Instagram account is a business or a creator profile, because then you have access to Instagram insights, and this helps you to measure your efforts on Instagram. So before you continue this video, if you have a personal profile, then you will not understand, or you will not see most of the things that I will talk about in this video. But if you are a business or a content creator and you have a business or creator account, then this video is for you. Now let me stop talking and let's go straight into this video. So post insights are insights under every post, as the name implies, right? So once you open your Instagram and you open your post, you would see view insights and promote under every post. Well, not under every post. On IGTV videos, on the 1 minute previews that you post on your feed, the promote button is deactivated because you cannot promote IGTV previews, but the view insights are on all the posts. Now, you would only have these options under each post if your Instagram page is a business or creator account or profile. If you're still using a personal profile on Instagram, then you will not have these options. So I'm going to open a post. You know what, let me do an IGTV post so we can look at the insights. So once you tap on view insights, the first insights or set of insights that you see are likes, comments, shares, saves, profile visits, and reach. So on this post, I had 230 likes, I had 76 comments, I had 28 shares and 82 saves. Now, shares are divided into two, so they can be shares to DMs and they can be shares to Instagram stories. You may not always know which is which, right? Because the only time you can see shares to Instagram stories are one, when you just post, and two, whenever anyone shares to their Insta story. That's for the first 24 hours. So this was posted on the 12th of July and I'm currently doing the screen recording in September. However, I just shared this post to an Instagram page that I have, just so you see what it looks like. So when someone shares your post to Instagram, to their Instagram story, to view it, if you have a business or a creator account or profile on Instagram, just tap on the three dots and you'll see view story reshare. So whenever you see this, then it means someone has recently shared that post to their Insta story and you can view it whether or not the person tagged you, which is fantastic. Now let's go over to Insights proper. Now, profile visit tells you how many people visited your profile from that post. So when people saw this post, how many on their explore page or on their feed, their timeline, did they visit my profile? So this profile visit indicates the number of people that visited my profile, while reach indicates the number of unique people. I'm emphasizing on unique, and I'll tell you why. So reach shows you the number of unique people that saw this post. Now the discovery section is a data heavy section, right? And should not be ignored. Why? Immediately after account reached, you can see that 5% weren't following me. Now this is important, or this is vital, because it tells you how many new people that post has reached, right? So you can see that 35% weren't following. This means that 35% of 1,584 people that this post reached are not my followers, are not following me, right? So with this, you can now begin to probe. So if this reached people, a lot of people that are not following me, what happened? So it means there's an external factor in play. So it's either you used very good hashtags, or people were sharing your content and so we're bringing people to that post. And this is very easy, you can tell. So from here I can tell where these people came from. Hashtags, not really, because under hashtags you can see 14 people, but 28 people shared this post. So it's very possible that this is where all the views came from. Now after reach, you have impressions, and here it is broken down into categories. So it shows you where you had the most views from, right? And here you can see I had the most views from home, profile, and other. Hashtags are low because hashtags generally do not perform well on IGTV videos, right? But here it shows you a breakdown. So if this post popped up on Explore as well, then I would also see from Explore and I'll see how many views. Now the reason I said unique accounts when I was explaining reach is because of impressions. Reach and impressions are similar but not the same. Why? Reach accounts for each unique person. So even if you viewed someone's post 10 times, on that reach it will count it as one because it came from you. But impressions is the number of times that that post was seen. So if you viewed someone's post 10 times, under impressions it will count it as 10. So a lot of times your impressions are more than your reach, or worst case the same with your reach but never lower than your reach, because impressions captures every single time your post was seen, while reach captures one person, one view per account. Okay, now like I said, the promote button doesn't work on IGTV preview videos. If not, you'd have seen the promote button underneath, but let me show you what that looks like on a post that is not an IGTV video. So this is, so underneath you can see promote this post. So once you tap on it, it takes you through to create your promotion, and you can see that this promote button here is available because it's a picture, but here it's grayed out because it is an IGTV preview. Now something else that people often ignore is Insta story data, and there's a lot you can get from it. So a lot of people, I see that a lot of people are concerned only with who is viewing their Insta story and how many people have viewed their Insta story. But if you tap on this bar chart, it takes you to insights for your Instagram story. So you can see replies, you can see profile visits, you can see impressions, follows, and navigation. Now navigation is my favorite part because the rest I have explained is similar to what happens on your post insights on your main feed. But for navigation, the back feature is insightful. Why? Because it tells you, it's a way of measuring how interesting an Insta story post is. Let me explain. So for here, look at this. So here the back navigation is 10. In this it is 9. In this it is 25. In this it is 24. In this it is 11. This is 18. This is 12, right? So this has the highest people. This shows that people tapped back the most, right? And let me show you what this post is. So this post is an ad, right, that a company I currently model for posted. They are looking for plus size models, and I posted this on my Insta story. So I can assume, or it is safe to assume, that people tapped forward, right, or they finished viewing this, and when they were coming forward they decided to tap back because they saw something valuable here. So it means people that viewed this story were interested in this particular post. So this is a way of knowing what captures the attention of your target audience or your followers on Insta story. And that's it for post insights. So like I said, I'm going to share page insights in next week's video. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss that video when it goes up next week. I upload my videos every Friday by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss my videos when they go up. If you love this video, and I know you did, hit the like button. If you have further questions on what you have just watched in the video, leave your comments in the comment section and I will get back to you. Or you can send a DM to me on Instagram. This is my Instagram account, or this is my Instagram handle. So send a DM and I would respond to your questions. Alright guys, so see you in next week's video. Till then, stay safe, stay fabulous, and have a fantastic weekend. Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Uchechi and I'm a content creator and digital marketing. Oh wow.